This demo also include a checker. So this is a pattern that we create. We create a pattern whenever this is the pattern that we create. This is a checker. But since we are not doing a loop back, if we are doing a loop back, then this half, what you can see now, this half shows the pattern that we create, and this half is showing the pattern that the checker will expect. So if the two is matching, you will see a good LED display, a good LED flashing, which is this decimal point. And like this one, because this board is running pass-through, the checker is still enabled. So the pattern match this pattern. So the LED, good LED is displayed. If I change the pattern from the 100% color bar to a different pattern, say this is the pattern for 75% color bar, because it does not match the checker, what the checker expects, so we'll see a LED display here. However, if I change the pattern over here to a expected pattern, now error LED display. If I change the pattern here by pushing this button, now good LED display because it matched this one. If I change here again, this is a 70 color bar, so it expects 70 color bar pattern coming in, but since the video is putting out a 75% color bar, so it does not match, so you'll see error LED flashing. If I change the source to 70 color bar, pressing this button, now you see the good LED display. This checker is very useful whenever we set the pattern to pathological pattern. So to do that, I need to adjust this switch. So this is what we call matrix pattern. A matrix pattern match. So this is matrix. So the good LED display. Okay. Now what I'm showing you is the SD. Now let's change to 3G. Okay. So right now we are running 3G SDI. We're sending pathological pattern to the second board. See the good LED showing here? If I change the expected pattern, LED, the error LED will display. And change it to the other, and change it back to matrix. I can also change the source to a different pattern. Say this pattern. This is EQU, so you see error LED display is flashing. Pink color, so I changed the expected pattern to this good LED display. You can change the pattern here to all gray. Now it's all gray. Now the expected pattern need to be changed as well. Okay, wrong button. Okay, good LED display. So we have a checker to check 3G. So what you can see now is the data. 110 and 200. That is this one, the gray color. If we change to a different pattern, now this is all pink. So the data is 198, 300. If I enable the color adjustment, you'll see it's no more 198, 300 because it's changed a little bit, but you cannot tell from your eye. If I disable it, it's going back to 198, 300. And change it back to HD. Change to color bar pattern.